Hi everyone, this is Chelsea, and this video is going to be a demonstration of how you can use golf balls to exercise your hands. So this is an exercise that we do every day in our occupational specific essential skills class for sewing machine operation. And so what we do is we take at least a couple golf balls. I'm going to start off with a couple just to begin with. And hopefully you have some golf balls laying around the house, but even if you don't have golf balls in particular, really just anything that is around the same size, and of course the same shape, because you're going to need them to roll a little bit when you do this exercise. So just anything similar to a golf ball should be fine, but I'm going to use golf balls today because I find that those are the best for this type of activity. And so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be spinning these golf balls in our hands. And what it's going to do is it's going to be exercising our fingers, it's going to be exercising our hands, our wrists, and even our forearms a little bit. And it's going to help with our dexterity as well. So what I like to do is I like to start off with my dominant hand. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to start off with my right hand. And I'm going to put two golf balls in my right hand like this. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to spin them. So for me, it's easier to spin the golf balls clockwise like this. And as you can see, I'm just using my fingers to move the golf balls around each other. Both golf balls should be moving at the same time. And they're sort of just like orbiting each other, just like this. And you can keep doing that for quite a while. You should start to feel a little bit tired in your muscles. That's good. That means that your muscles are getting a good workout. But of course, if it starts to hurt, you definitely want to at least take a break, or you might have to stop the exercise altogether if it hurts. Now, if you find this challenging at first, I know some people like to put their other hand up as a bit of a wall. And then that way, if you find that the golf balls are rolling away, you might at first feel a little more comfortable just having this little fence up here to be able to help you out. But I would challenge you to take that away and just try with one hand. Okay. Now, when that starts to get really easy, you're able to go pretty fast with these golf balls. You can challenge yourself by doing a few things. You might want to try in your opposite hand. Okay, maybe you want to go in the opposite direction. So here I'm going to try going counterclockwise. Ooh, there we go. And you can do clockwise or counterclockwise in both your dominant hand and your non-dominant hand. Okay, oop, this one's a little bit more challenging for me. And you're just going to keep going, trying to give yourself a good challenge, and always spinning the golf balls until they start to, until you start to feel it in your muscles. All right. Now, when you get pretty good at spinning two golf balls, you can introduce a third golf ball, okay, and start spinning all three at once, just like this. So all three golf balls should be moving at the same time. You can kind of think of it as each golf ball is going to take the place of the next golf ball as they spin around. So the yellow one is going to move into place where the reddish-orange one is. And then that one, at the same time, is going to move over to where the green one is. And then the green one is moving up to where the yellow one is. So they're really just spinning at all times. All three of them should be moving. Now, if you find, I know sometimes people might get a little confused and they might only start to spin two of the golf balls like this. Sometimes I find people do. If you ever have your golf balls in a row like this, that means that you're doing it wrong. So you want to double check. Always make sure that they're making sort of a triangle shape like this, and that they're just falling into place. All right, there you go. So if you have golf balls at home, I really encourage you to try this every day to keep up your hand strength and your dexterity. And if you're interested too, I also have a video showing you how to do hand stretches, as well as an exercise that uses an elastic band. So that might be something that you want to look into as well, because those are also going to be beneficial for your overall hand health. All right, so good luck challenging yourself with this golf ball exercise, and take care, everyone. Bye.